had to redo my video. But anyways, like I said, I have turkey sausage. My pan is heating up for the pancake mix. Replay again, I don't like to use the pancake mix where you have to add the oil and the eggs. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This kind, it says add milk, oil, and eggs. I don't like that kind because it has a little weird taste to it. But anyways, we're going to be making the eggs, pancakes, and sausage. But again, like I was saying the first time, you want to make sure your mix isn't too watery or too thick. So the line is like a medium texture. That way my pancakes will be fluffy like I like them. I'll make the eggs in a minute. I'm trying to hold this camera up because my lighting is pretty bad the way I had it set up. If I can somehow, I don't know, help like this camera stuff. But oh well, here we go. So I guess it's time to pour it in the pancake mix. That should be good enough. I only have one hand, so if it makes a mess, I'll clean it up anyways. Turn the stove back up a little bit. And we let that cook. The bacon's in the oven cooking. It's not done yet, but maybe got another 10 minutes on it. 5 minutes, I'll flip it. Still can't figure out how to work this camera. Trying to flip it around, but oh well. Anyways, it's Camille in here cooking. Little cooking video. Kids wanted me to do some cooking video, so this is what I'm doing. And I'll probably do like my dinner video. Cooking catfish nuggets with, I don't know, probably some macaroni or some pasta and some kind of vegetables. Anyways, you see the pancakes cooking. You want to make sure around the edges, you can tell it's done when it starts to bubble up. Don't worry about my little crusty finger. You see the bubbles starting to form around there. That's when you can tell it's almost finished. First time. Oh, can't forget the butter. It's my little cat T.I. Ooh, I have to set this camera up. Excuse me, y'all. I'm still trying to figure this phone out. Oh well. Don't ask me how to edit because I have no idea how to do that either. But anyway, it's time to flip. I guess after the pan, here's the first couple pancakes. All this will be golden brown instead of just this part. But oh well, still tastes the same. It still tastes good. Y'all can give me some ideas on what I need to do to, you know, get better lighting or maybe get a better camera. I don't know. I get a phone at work. This does the fine, but I'm gonna start doing some videos and get better filming. Y'all can tell me some ideas or suggestions on what I need to do to have a better camera or a better phone, and I'll try to do that. You know, I'm tired of sitting here holding it. But anyways, when I put the pancake over, I know I'm not left-handed, so we're gonna work out today. I always put the little butter on there. So it should take no more than maybe a minute, no more than a minute, 1 to 2 minutes on each side to cook. Maybe a little longer depending on how low you have your fire. Mine's on medium setting. Right. 1 second. But anyways, I had to pause for a minute. I had to go get one of my daycare kids. Parent just came. Turn that down a little bit. A little smoky. Smoky! Yeah. Alright, round 2. For the mix in, you can also, when it starts to smoke too much, make sure you have oil in your pan also. Some people, forget to do that. Turn it down to 3.5 now, since it's cooking pretty good. Turn the fan on up high so I can get this smoke from going around. Bacon is ready to be flipped over. Drop it. Flip these 2. Flip this one. Flip these 3. If you're cooking a lot of things at one time, you want to make sure you be able to watch everything. Because some things cook faster than the others. You have to be able to time things right. Like the sausage, I have it on low. So I'm gonna let it cook all the way until everything is finished, since it's already pre-cooked. So I'm really just warming it up. So let's turn it down. You can tell the bubbles all around. It's ready to be flipped. Flip it over. There's your pancake. Cooked a little faster this time, but fine still. As long as it's not burnt, it will be eaten. Here are a few of my daycare kids. Go say hi real quick. Say hi, Harmony.
Hi.
Say hi, Malia.
Hi.
Say hi, Maya. That's little Dakota. And say hi, Marte.
Hi, Jamil.
Oh, he's silly. Doing a cooking video, y'all. Say like our videos.
Like our video.
Say go subscribe.
Go subscribe.
And view.
And view.
Say bye.
Bye.
You're fun. But anyways, this one is done. So you should be able to go pretty fast with the movement. And I'll go faster, but I have one hand, like I said. So I'm trying to show you guys. I'll show you the whole process that I take when I do my fish. I didn't think to do a video until after I made the pancake mix. So, but I'll do the whole process for my fish, from pulling out the, well, actually I already have it unthawed now. It's unthawing, so I'll do my cooking video. I'll start about 6 o'clock, 6:30ish. That's when we eat dinner. Well, yeah, we eat dinner whenever we feel like eating. So, but yeah, I'm from Kansas City, Missouri. Yeah. I have 3 kids of my own. They're at school right now. Thank God, it's their first day. They'll be going next week.
Yeah.
I watched these children overnight.
Yeah. And I think that school will be bad.
No, school's gonna be fun.
You gonna watch this one too?
Yeah.
Dooley.
He's handsome. He just looks, he's like a little grown man. And he's a big baby. Watch out, Marte, look. Bet you guys can't guess how old he is.
Not much.
I have $5 for the person who get his age
4
right.
months. Me.
It's for the YouTubers. Shh. $5. You comment below how old you think he is. You got $5 coming.
What if somebody get it at the same time?
Could be right. Could be wrong. Don't let the size fool you.
I think it was 9 months.
He could be 9 months. He could be not. All right, time to flip this one. There we go. That's the one I like. All golden around, all over. That's perfect. But yeah, you guys can let me know like what kind of cooking videos you guys want me to do. Cause I like to cook. I cook almost every day. I go on recipe.com. I look on Google. I'll cook all kind of recipes. I just like to cook. So you guys let me know if there's anything particular that you want me to cook, and that is what I'll do. Okay, so the bacon is pretty much done. So just make sure you turn off the oven, and then I'll get a oh darn, I don't have no paper towels. So what I do is improvise. I don't have paper towels. I use my tissue, toilet paper. So it's just as good. Okay, so now it's time to flip this pancake over. Golden brown, just like I like it. You got the bacon. I got a little bit of tissue up here to just help drain this grease out. Is this too hot? Yeah, that's too hot. So I usually set it on the stove and just let it drain the opposite direction and slide all the bacon in one direction, but I have too much stuff on the stove to be doing that, so improvise. You do all kinds of things cooking. And of course, I clean up after myself. I don't have to be told to do that. So the bacon is pretty much done. Oh goodness. Oh, it's hot, hot, hot. And you let that sit up there and you drain that off. I leave the pan in the oven. It's off. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. Put the butter on the pancake. So I'm gonna take a quick break so I can put the eggs into the bowl. Once I put it in there, put the little salt and pepper in there. Then I'll show you the next process for that. I'll use the same pan as the pancake pan because it's clean. I'll wipe it out and then start again. But hold on a second, I'll be back. Okay, so with the eggs, like I told you, I would have it already mixed up in the bowl for you. Pan, skillet. What you need is butter. That's what I use. Or some people use the oil, but I use butter for my eggs. So you're gonna let that cook, melt down. It's smoky, but it's okay. Nothing that's gonna cause a fire. But yeah, let that butter melt. My stove is turned down to 3. Just to make sure you move it around evenly out. Have my eggs mixed together. I put a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper in there. I don't like too much salt. I already have high blood pressure, so I don't need nothing else that's gonna cause it. Let me put the eggs in there because it's already hot. Just wipe this pot out. The eggs take 2.5 seconds to cook, so yeah, you get your spatula and just cook your eggs. Move it all around. Don't want to have it sitting on one spot too long. He's okay. If he's not crying, he's fine. Let him sit down and play. I'm about to pick him up anyways. So just mixing. Let it cook for a little bit. Yes. Huh? His name is Dakota. Oh, that's my drink. Leave that alone. No, that's mine. I know some people that like their eggs runny and wet looking. I don't. I cannot stand that. It tastes so gross. So I like to make sure my eggs are cooked well through. I don't want them to be looking extra dry, but I don't like my eggs to look super wet like I know some people do. So that's each his own. Make the eggs how you want to make it. You put cheese in it, onions, bell peppers in it. You can make it any, you can flavor it up any way you want to, but I'm just gonna make mine simple because I have kids, and you know kids are super picky. So the eggs are done. Turn the stove off. That's all. So y'all see this mess that I have on the counter? Yucky, butter out, box. A good cook always cleans up after themselves. To the stove, wipe it off. So you see it, and now you don't. Spotless, clean, everything. Wipe down, put up, stove, wipe down, clean. Good job for me. Anyway, the finishing touches of our breakfast: pancakes, sauce, turkey sausage, bacon, eggs. I like to put ketchup on mine, but you know you can finish off with syrup and whatever you want to put on top, and you eat. Go ahead and put your syrup on. So that's the end of our video. They about to get their grub on. So am I. So bye to this Graves family. Everybody say bye.
Bye.